So first loose these two a bit and loose these two a bit, and you can extend it. Just extend it a little bit, and initially just extend it. Here they have given it, previously it will be like fixed, but here next step they have shown it as they've extended it, and I took time to figure it out. I was trying to pull this, but it was not extending, but later I got to know that if you just loosen these two screws, then it will get extended. Initial just loosen it, then later we will adjust it according to the exact length. Okay, so let me do this first. A4, so they have mentioned as A, B, C, D, so this is good. So we'll easily get to know which is A and which is B. So A went here. Now next is we need to adjust these two. So for that we need C. So these will go here. So step 2 is also done. We'll move to step 3. Step 3. So for the step 3 we need B4, and bolt also we need B4. So B4. Step 3 is also done. Let's move to step 4. So now step 4 we need to use D screws. So they are given B11. So step 4 is also completed. Now let's move to step 5. So before moving to step 5, I had loosened these both pair. So now let's tighten it and adjust these two holes and just tighten it. So currently this is done. I have fixed all the screws. Let's move to step 5. First you should attach this one, then put this inside that one, and then you should tighten it. So to tighten it we should use this one, G. Then you should tighten this up and this up. This you should do it clockwise, and this you should do it anti-clockwise. So step 5 is done. Let's move to step 6. Let's install this controller. Step 6 is also done. I have attached this. Now let's move to step 7. Then step 7 we should attach the adapter. Here they have given it that side, but they would have labeled it as adapter, so you can place it here. This one you should attach using the E screw, which is 2. So let's attach it. So I have attached the motor with the handset and the handset with the adapter. So this is done. And if we move to step 8, they are told that they are giving these clips, but H. Okay, yeah, they're given these clips. So step 9 is to just put this headset holder or headphone holder. Just that's it. Okay, it's almost done, so let's keep this upright. So it's almost done. Let's start wrapping. Let's remove these. Basically this is the lowest, 73 is lowest, and 117 is the max. So 118.